Hi, how to download and make X360CE running on all games. First head over to Google to download it. Link in description. Press on download for all games. Right-click to extract it. Run as administrator. Now follow my steps. Go to Devices and select Save All. And now choose the game you want to use your controller in. Paste it into the game file you want and relaunch it as administrator. Head over to Games and add game you'd like to have your controller working in. Now to activate your controller, press on Add Controller, and there you go. Now your wireless or wired controller is working on any game you want. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe with the bell on to stay notified. Peace out.